how to play Roblox without the application. So if you want to play Roblox without downloading the application, then you can simply open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. So I'll be here with Chrome browser. So you can simply search for discord.com, and after searching for discord.com, here you will have an option to use Discord on your browser. So in some regions we don't have that option. So if that is available in your region, then you can simply open up the browser and then you can go for discord.com and you will have an option of use the Discord on your browser. So if you have that option, then you can use that on your browser. But if you don't have that option, then you have to simply install the application and then you can use your Discord. So this might be available in some regions and this might not be available in some regions. It depends on the region. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.